Okay, this looks to me like kind of a grisly picture of a big tumor. You can recognize this as being the tongue, at least the oral part of the tongue. When you get to the back part of the tongue, the posterior third, which is the pharyngeal tongue, you could see up here the epiglottis, or at least part of it, and then you can see a large tumor mass growing in a fashion which looks like diffusely infiltrative. You can see some black areas, perhaps old hemorrhage. You could see that it's a very non-homogeneous uncut section. You can also see down here, this appears to be the opened portion of the larynx and trachea as well from posteriorly. I'm guessing that is. Let's take a look at this tumor of the posterior part of the tongue microscopically. Here it is. You can recognize quickly that there appears to be in this area at least a mucosa which is intact and overlying part of the tumor that is infiltrating deeply throughout the tongue here. Here is a part of the mucosa that is perhaps ulcerated, thickened, and solid tumor. But in this area here, you have a little rim of overlying normal mucosa, and I think you might be able to recognize these areas, this area, as perhaps having a lot of secondary inflammation as well. This is primarily a chronic and organizing inflammation. Here's a residual portion of what may be normal overlying epithelium, or perhaps it's not normal. Let me take a better look. It could be normal, but it is certainly overlying these big nests of cells here, which have pearls, look clearly squamous, haphazardly infiltrate the underlying connective tissue. And because this is the tongue, if we go deep enough, we may see that some of the tissue that these little nests infiltrate is indeed a skeletal muscle. These are skeletal muscle fibers here, which are in close proximity to this invading group of tumor cells, and that's why they are degenerated. All of these blue areas here are tumor, here, here. And notice how they are engulfing these degenerating skeletal muscle fibers. You're not likely to see striations on these cells anymore. Here is a larger cluster of tumor cells. And once again, they are forming pearls, so they are very, very easily being recognized as squamous cell carcinoma. Thank you very much.